Yo, what's good with y'all boys? What's good, what's good, what's good, what's good? I've been trading like shit recently, but I rewrote down my rules, I studied my journal, and I figured out exactly why I was trading like ass. Hey, I'm gonna be completely honest. The reason I ain't been making live trading videos in mad long and I ain't been posting no setups on IG is because I've been losing like a motherfucker, bro. I've been losing a lot. I took 2 losses today, too. And really the main problem I've been having is not being able to recognize market conditions. Like I'll see my setup and it'll be valid, but it's like we already done took the objective for the day, or the market's starting to consolidate, or the timing is off, like the actual time of the day is off. And I won't recognize that even though my setup is there and everything is checked off, the market conditions are not right. I haven't won a single trade on this 50K account yet, and I got $100 left before I blow it. No cap. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I was angry as hell going to the gym today, bro. Like, I was so angry, but every time I lose, like, I'm angry right after it happens, but as the day progresses, it's like the anger just is gone. It just gets alleviated. And next thing you know, I'm back in love with this shit again. Like, right after I took that loss, I was sitting there like, bro, what the fuck is going on? But quitting never enters my mind. Like, I'm trading terrible, I ain't gonna lie, but I know it's all on me. It's not the market, it's not nothing else, it's my fault. And I can't fall out of love with this shit, bro. I just love it so much, even when I'm losing. That's how I know I'm gonna make it. But I gotta record this shit to document, like, bro, when I make it, y'all niggas gonna be able to look back on this like, bro, he went through this shit too. This shit is not easy. This shit is not easy. You gonna struggle, but you just gotta keep pushing. It's because I had no higher time frame narrative that I was trading with, bro. That's why. And I just want to show y'all what my bias is for today. Now, we don't have any SMTs, so I'm not even going to really show y'all ES at the moment. I like NQ better. Let's go to the daily. There's nothing on the daily for us to really look at. For real. We just been in this little range, but you can see this is previous day low right here. I marked it out. Boom, let's go to the 4-hour. Relative equal lows at the previous day low. We got this 4-hour fair value gap we already rejected multiple times. We then expanded to the upside but did not create a fair value gap. All right, we took out these highs and we've been kind of ranging. Now let's go down to the 1-hour. Boom, so you can see we came up into this 1-hour fair value gap, this little inverse, this balanced price range, and we held this shit perfectly. Not a single candle body closed outside of this area, right? We just keep holding it. And you can see, if we zoom in, we did shift structure back to the downside. Now on ES, the shift in structure was a lot cleaner. I'll show you why. This little price line is in the way. I don't know how to, whatever. But look, you see how this candle tapped in and rebalanced this fair value gap, and we shifted through that candle? That's huge. That is huge. That shows us we're shifting bearish momentum. So I'm expecting the institutional order flow on the 1-hour to shift bearish, and it already has in a way, because this candle should not be taken out if we're bullish. So boom, we shift structure to the downside. We create a fair value gap on both areas, and now we have equilibrium right here, right? So boom. Also peep this London lows in the 1-hour fair value gap on ES. On NQ, it's in the order block, right? Oh, this a 1-hour fair value gap too. Well, anyways, so you can see we shifted structure. Bearish momentum is coming in. All right, we got London lows inside of a fair value gap, inside of an order block, right? So what I wanted to see coming into the day is, one, we could either come down, sweep London lows, react to this order block in this fair value gap, push up to equilibrium, take out some of these equal highs, possibly tap into the 1-hour fair value gap, and then push down towards equal lows. I mean, towards previous day low, which has relative equal lows. The other thing is we could simply push up and take out these highs right now and tap into the 1 hour fair value gap, and then manipulate lower, take out London sell side, and potentially previous day low as well. Now, I don't expect too big of a move today because we have CPI tomorrow. So if I was to take a trade, I would not be targeting previous day low. And if I took a trade up here, I probably wouldn't be targeting London sell side either. It would be some quick ass shit, but no cap. And I only have $184 left on this funded. I kind of want to blow it, but I'm not gonna blow another funded account on purpose. That shit is stupid. We also have this 15-minute fair value gap right here, but it's tiny. I don't even really respect that shit. But we do have this 15-minute order block, right? And if we put a line on the body of that order block, it aligns pretty well with London sell side. So I'm really liking that area. Also, if we take this low to this high, you can see OTE is perfectly right here. Now, we already done retraced into it, as you can see, but this is still OTE regardless. So, yeah, this is equilibrium of this small little range. But I do expect us to sweep this high and then start to push down. So that's what I'm going to take. I don't think I'm going to wait for us to come here and then take longs because my overall bias is bearish. So even if we came down here first and started to push up, I think I'll just wait for this to get hit. But it depends on the setup. Now, I'm only taking one trade per day. I can enter a setup twice. One trade per day. I can enter the setup 2 times. And that's it. So I'm going to wait for this to get swept and see something to the downside. I'm looking for shorts today. And as you can see, I thought we were going to come back down here, but it looks like we might start to push up. All right, let's get it. Make sure my top step X is open. Okay, that's interesting as hell. ES want to start pushing down first. Oh, that's real weird. They literally moving opposite. So ES just swept London sell side while NQ was pushing higher. Because now we got an SMT at the lows and we about to have an SMT at the highs. I've never seen this shit before. What is the dollar doing? I didn't even look at your bitch ass. See, it look like the dollar finna dump though soon off of this. We just took out this high. Took out this buy side liquidity, tapped into equilibrium. I really want to see this high though. But we could reject it right now. You feel me? Actually, I might get on Discord, man. I might have to get on Discord. Let these niggas know this shit is looking wild. Yo, what in the fucking world? Yeah, I'm not about to read what the fuck these niggas talking about. Niggas say London highs might be his bias. He might be looking for London highs. Nope, nigga, I ain't looking for that shit. I know exactly what I want to see. It's not London highs. I want to see us form a swing low right here and then push through it. But why the fuck is ES moving down, bro? This shit kind of tripping me out. I ain't gonna lie. Cause we got a crazy SMT at the lows now. You might have to be real careful. But I think we bearish 100%. It's just interesting because if I was trading ES right now, I would be looking for longs. If I was trading NQ right now, I'd be looking for shorts. So it's like, bruh. And if they supposed to correlate, you feel me? I don't know, this shit looking weird. Hey, bruh. I don't know if I would touch this shit right now. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if I would touch this shit right now. Y'all boys better be careful because ES and NQ are moving in completely opposite directions. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I had 2 different biases. Either we sweep London sell side and then push up into this 1 hour fair value gap, or we push up into the 1 hour fair value gap first and then sweep London sell side. And ES pushed down to take out London sell side and NQ pushed up to the fair value gap. So they doing complete opposites. And you also have to realize that it's the day before CPI. So if you do take something, I know you risk the minimum amount every time, but if you do take something, make sure you act like you're risking half or some shit. Like if you had a real account, just acknowledge that you would be risking less in this situation. Yeah, I kind of want to blow this account, but if NQ pushes through this low, I'll take something. The reason I want to blow this account is because I'm trying to go back to Tradeovate, bro. I hate this Top Step X shit. It's way too complicated for me. I ain't gonna hold you. On Tradeovate, yeah. I might go back to live for a little bit, bro. Cause I'm tired of these funders, but if NQ can push through this low with some force, I'll take that shit. Yeah, I feel you. Just be careful, my boy. I'm probably about to take some shorts though. I'm gonna bring this over for y'all niggas to see. This isn't the best price action, but I'm cool with this if I lose. I'm finna send this to y'all right now, actually. Franklin, why you on mute, nigga? We swept the buy side liquidity above equilibrium, tapped into the 1 hour fair value gap, and got the reaction I wanted. But I could have got in a little early because we didn't have a manipulation move yet. Okay, we starting to check. Nah, I think this shit ain't gonna play out. I don't know if this shit gonna play out, I'm gonna be honest. See if we can keep pushing down. This shit kind of moving slow, but I should have waited for them. Well, I guess a macro is about to start right now. If we can close below this swing low right here on NQ on the 1 minute, then I think I'm good. I need us to continue with some speed, man. I think we sweep London lows on NQ. Yeah, I'm feeling better about this trade than all the other trades I took this week. Except yesterday. Yesterday I was confident in shit. And that bitch just pushed against me, bro. I'm like, damn. It be having some good moves, but yesterday I missed the first setup, and then I took two setups that they weren't bad, but I should have recognized that price action was starting to consolidate, and there was no higher time frame narrative. Like right here, how I took this off of the 1 hour fair value gap getting tapped into after the buy side sweep. Yesterday I didn't do that shit, but this about to hit my TP right now. All right, I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. I trade London so I can fucking go to work full time. Yeah. Hey YouTube, I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. We caught a little dub, and I have been losing a lot. I'm not gonna lie, but the reason I fucking won today is because I'm using higher time frame narrative. I identified a high probability area. We came back into equilibrium. We swept the high. We did exactly what I wanted to see, and then we formed a setup. And all I did was take it. I applied risk, and it worked out. Recently, I have just been scalping. I would see a setup like this, but there would be no higher time frame narrative at all, and then I'll get chopped up. You feel me? So yeah, that's really it. Now I think I should have put my stop up here, but Cause this almost got me out and I got nervous. So I did move my stop. That wasn't good, but yeah, that's it, man. I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm gonna definitely post this. I don't got work today. I can edit this real quick. So I'm gonna catch y'all, man. See, I wasn't playing when I told y'all. I figured out why I was losing, bro. This is why journaling is so important. I'm gonna show y'all the P&L. Look how much I was losing, bro. I had one winning trade since I got this account. One winning trade. And look at all these L's. Now, some of these are multiple positions, but I lost around 4 or 5 trades. So, I lost one trade, I won a trade, and then I lost 4 in a row. Now, the reason why this profit is a little bit smaller than my losses is only because I only had $150 worth of drawdown left. Because this is the lowest your position, your account can be. And I only had $100 left, so. But regardless, y'all need to journal, bro. Because y'all gonna see exactly what y'all was doing wrong. Sometimes it's real simple. It's right in front of you.